If you've ever considered driving and your car's impact on the environment, you might be shocked to discover there's one easy way to lower your carbon footprint while saving money. Switching to high-quality used tires greatly reduces the number of tires that will end up in a landfill. You may be thinking, I don't want a tire someone else has already used, but if you've ever purchased a used car, it's likely that you were driving on used tires. Instead of trashing tires, they can be reused, and that's where Champtires comes in. Champtires sources premium used tires with a lot of tread life still left in them, to sell to you at a fraction of the price you're used to paying for new tires. They use a 3-step inspection process to ensure the safety and quality of every single tire they receive. So, how do you get your tires? Well, first visit them at champtires.com and then shop their more than 40,000 tires in stock to find the exact size, brand, and model you need. Then have it shipped for free to your home or favorite tire installer. Aside from saving Mother Nature, buying used tires will save you up to 80% off of what you would be paying for a brand new tire. Next time you get a flat tire or need to replace all 4, check out Champtires first and play a part in saving the planet without breaking the bank.